What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Before I start every video, I always have to beg everyone, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Only a few people actually like it. Very rarely subscribe. Comments, I get a few. Come on, man, we need to double that, triple that, quadruple that. We need to have a lot of active engagement, man, because I need to grow this properly and I can't do it without you lot assisting me. But yeah, man, please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know, we need to get the views up, everything up, subscribers up, you know. It's all good stuff. But yeah, so today's trainer is a trainer or sneaker that I haven't bought for a good 12 years, I'd say. I don't even remember buying them in 2010. I think it must have been 2009 when I bought a pair. Because I got funny feet, like flat foot. They're not the greatest. They're not the most comfortable for me. But, you know, I saw these and I was like, you know, they need to go on the channel, man. They need to be reviewed. We need to see what they're like. I need to try them on, all that good stuff. And so without further delay, we've got the new Nike Move to Zero box. So as you can see, Move to Zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport. So it just explains a little more. This product is made with at least 20% recycled content by weight, which reduces waste and our carbon footprint. It's to move to zero. On the bottom, all sorts of information. Let's see what they actually are. It's Nike Air Max Terrascape. I hope I said that right. 90. So it's an Air Max 90 Terrascape, whatever you want to call it. And the colorway is Off Noir Summit White Dash Black. That's a US 11. Men's UK 10, centimeters 29, Europe 45, BR 43. And then what's odd to me below here is when it's the women's size, why is the centimeters 0.5 centimeters? Like, do centimeters mean more to women or something? I don't know. Like, like how do they become a 0.5 of a centimeter, half a centimeter bigger? It doesn't make sense to me, if I'm honest. But we move. Now let's get into them. Yes, the Nike Air Max 90 Terrascape. So the first look of these is definitely, if it's not to you, definitely to me, it's like off-white vibes. I literally have said 100 times that if these, you know, had like off-white bits and bobs on them, instant sellout. Instant sellout. But they don't, so that's good news because I quite like them. Personally, I didn't like them much when I saw them online, but in person, you know, when you have a look at them and you get them in hand, you wear them with an outfit, some joggers or something, then you see, ooh, these are nice. These are underrated. So we start from the bottom. I don't really like this sole, to be honest, because it looks dirty as hell. It looks crazy dirty, but they're fresh, brand new. So as you can see, the speckles. So that's all that recycled business that they got going on, which is good. I'm not complaining, but I just don't like that sole. Then the midsole again, it's clear. It's not like the bottom, but some of it is. So back here, clear midsole, and then that's again recycled foam in there, and it's crater foam. So literally, if that had like speech marks around it, then it had Nike with speech marks, off-white joints, they would have literally sold out within minutes. Then it's got like a leathery, I don't want to say leathery, I don't know how I'd describe that. We'll say leathery for the sake of this, kind of mudguard type of thing. Then behind it there's like a cloth one, so it's all cloth. And then again there's more cloth, slightly different. Then we've got the mesh. And then what I kind of don't like is the way this is. It's like very rough, not done properly, not padded as much as a normal Air Max 90 pair. But I do understand that they're going for something a bit different. Same with the tongue. The tongue is not a padded tongue, but it's okay. White swoosh that is textured, so when you see it up close you can see the texture on it. And then the back heel tab, it's like a foam, soft. It's also recycled vibes. It's got holes and stuff in it. Kind of reminds me of that cheese. I think it's a French cheese or something. Blue cheese, the one that's got holes in it and it's blue. I hope it's blue cheese. Yeah, and then it's got like a cloth back heel tab. Then it's got plastic eyelets here, and then obviously one bit with the cloth. It's got that same material here, which is quite like, it's a tough type of mesh. It's quite durable looking, so I do like that. I'm a fan of that. And then the same on the other side, of course. A normal pair of black laces, Nike tick, and then it says on the pull tab, Terrascape. And one thing I really didn't like about these is the insole. I'll just take it out because I think it was so ugly. Like this gives me fish tank vibes, man. What is that? And look how narrow it is, like on the back. So that's why these shoes are kind of uncomfortable for me, because what is that, man? The fish, bottom of a fish tank vibes. But yeah, it's quite, you know, a narrow type of shoe, or looks quite narrow. I'm just gonna stick that back in there. Very odd insole, I must say. Even the way it fits and stuff, it's just very weird. Even though I've messed it up, it just feels like it's gonna break apart any second, to be honest, or rip apart. It just feels quite odd. Not really the biggest fan of that. I've actually messed it up a lot. It's not lining up at all, but we move. So impressions, you know, online they weren't too great. In person I can definitely say I like these. On foot and all that stuff. Would I buy another pair? Depending on if my feet hurt in this pair, because obviously I have very weird feet that I need just certain trainers in terms of comfort levels, etc. And yeah, so tell me if you'd like these, tell me if you'd buy them, tell me if you want them, tell me if you hate them, tell me if you rate them, tell me everything that you think about these trainers in the comments below. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. As always, there will be an on foot video to follow. Sometimes you might have to wait a few moments for it because I don't stop waffling. And all the time I always release a separate on foot video, just showing the trainers, giving it a quick, you know, 360 view or whatever. But that's enough for me for today. And that's enough of my waffling. I hope you enjoyed that review of the Nike Air Max 90 Terrascape. Take care, people.